In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect phone to laptop Asus Vivobook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect any phone that you have to your Asus Vivobook. You will be able to do this primarily using a cable. There are options to connect your phone wirelessly. However, to access most features and use stuff like iTunes that allows you to manage your iPhone settings and so on, you will need to connect them using a cable. So look at the ports on your laptop. Usually, you will have plenty of USB-A and USB-C ports available. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Nowadays, you can connect them to any compatible port and they will be detected. Now, all that you have to do is use a cable to connect your phone. Like I mentioned, you will be able to use Android devices and any iOS device that you have. All that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into your phone's port. So for iOS, this could be Lightning or USB-C, and for most modern Android devices, this will be the standard USB-C. So once you connect this end of the cable into your phone, you will be able to connect the other end, usually USB-A if you are using the most basic option, or USB-C to the laptop. So all that you have to do now is plug them into any of the available ports. Immediately upon doing this, it is going to be picked up and detected. Like I said, this will work for any mobile device or smartphone that you have with any cable. As long as you are able to connect one end of the cable into the phone and another one into the laptop, it is going to be picked up. You will be able to go over to the settings and access the storage, and you will be able to get all of the pictures, videos, files, images, and so on that is on your phone's storage, as long as you connect it to your PC via a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect phone to laptop Asus Vivobook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.